Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another very full week, and of course it is the beginning of a new week, and in today's video we'll be checking out the trending market for the week. We usually do this every Monday morning just for us to know the direction of the market, and of course for us to know how to trade throughout the week. Okay, so this is very important. It's going to be some couple of analysis together added together so that we can be well guided throughout the week, okay, in our trading activities for the week. Okay, so this is very important. And if you are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some good cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the trend for the week. These are the assets we will be checking out, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be on higher time frame, so you should be able to balance between the lower time frame and the higher time frame whenever you are trading, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a major reversal in price action on lower time frame. So this is very important, guys. This is very important. If you follow the instructions, then definitely you will be able to make some good amount of money for yourself throughout this week. There's nothing bad if you are making $1,000, $2,000 in a week. Okay, there's nothing bad in that, but before you can do that, you need to follow the instruction. If you refuse to follow the instruction, then you're not going to get it right. Okay, this is real business and you need to treat it as one. Okay, and of course from the comments from most of my subscribers, they are really happy about this particular edition of the training. Okay, they all look forward to it because it helps them to be well guided whenever they are trading. It helps them to know what to go for throughout the week whenever they are trading, and I must say they've been utilizing it right from the beginning of this program, and of course they've been making a lot of profits with it. Okay, it has actually made our trading activities very easy for them, and with it they too have learned how to do their own personal analysis and generate their signals right from there, so you too can also get started with them. So now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Remember, we will be doing our analysis on higher time frame. So this is daily time frame. This is boom 1000, and if you should notice, boom 1000 has been on downtrend before. Right here, remember that week I said once it goes above this, then definitely it will go up, and it went up till it got to this region, and right from there it went back. You can see I did a trend line here, and of course an horizontal line above at the top right here to mark out the resistance zone, and of course it broke out above it and went up, and once it got there it went down again, and of course it went down selling until it got to this support zone. Okay, you can see it has not been able to break out below the support zone. It went up, and this resistance zone was strong enough to send it back to that support zone. Okay, right now it is buying more. Okay, so it is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity. For the past 3 days it has been on a buy trend, and of course today it is also going to be buying more. So this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out, still on daily time frame, guys. Okay, this has been it has actually been following this channel. Okay, so it broke out above it around there, and of course it kept on buying, and it has got into this resistance, and it pulled back, went back there again, and of course it is still pulling back. If it breaks out below this support zone, if it breaks out below this, then definitely to keep on selling. If it does not, then it will go back up to see if it will be able to break out above this resistance zone, this particular one. Okay, above this, once it breaks out, of course there is a particular one here that it needs to break out first. Once it breaks out above this, then definitely it will remain this. Okay, it will be targeting this. Okay, so once it breaks out above this, then the last one at the top right here is the one that we should be looking out for. But if it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so let me just try to leave out the highlighted section and delete the ones that are not highlighted in between. Okay, so that you guys will be able to take note of that. Okay, it will continue to sell until it gets to this support zone. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back. But once it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling until it gets to this region. Until it gets to this region, or let me use this. Okay, until it gets to this region. Okay, so all these are very, very important, so I can delete this. Sorry. Okay, let me bring it back. Okay, this until it gets to this region. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So this is still on downtrend at the moment. It is still selling at the moment, but we need to be sure if it will break out below this. So I'm going to put it there that this is still on downtrend, but if it's unable to break out below that support zone, then it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so we need to be very careful. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and of course, just where we have seen it, of course this is buying at the moment, even though it has cut across most of the resistance zone, and of course it is heading towards another resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. But once it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is still on uptrend at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone, the next resistance zone. So you should watch out for that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Still on daily time frame. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time, played around there for a while, and right now it is trying to approach this resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so it's going to sell more and try out the support zone again. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still going on uptrend at the moment, and most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone, which is this particular one, it will be trying it out again. So the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be Volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is Volatility 75. It was on downtrend before, but got to this support zone, this particular support zone, and it was unable to break out below it. Okay, it was unable to break out below it, so it went back on buy trend. It has gotten to this resistance zone and it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, once it is done with the pullback, it might want to move up again to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. So this is very, very important, but at the moment it is still selling at the moment. Okay, selling at the moment, more of a downtrend at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into an uptrend. Okay, into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important, so we should take note of all these, okay, while trying to trade throughout this week. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.